Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm doing a Dutch pour. I just did a video comparing 3 different hair dryers for a Dutch pour. I haven't done a lot of Dutch pours, but when I scraped everything off, I came up with this beautiful blue. It's like a lavender blue or corn blue maybe color. So I'm going to do a split base Dutch pour and I'm going to use one of the hair dryers. I used these colors here in my experiment, and I've got a little bit of like a champagne gold there and a couple of other colors I thought I might just throw into the mix. So I'm going to use like the corn blue here and the white here and put down some rows and have a crack, so to speak. Let's get started. I'm not sure how far this is going to go, so I'll do the smaller section because I got more white than I do the corn blue. I don't know if you can see the lines that I've drawn here, but I've drawn like an idea of where I'm going to go with my God, this is pretty. Yeah, sorry, with my colors. Okay, so I've just gone against what my plan was because I was going to try and blow out one color first, but I haven't done that. Let's have a go anyway. Okay, just going to move that over a bit, just add some white in there. Making sure I've got all my edges covered. I'm going to be using my original blow dryer. I think because the paints are thinner than when I first started using that blow dryer, that I think it's going to be better for making petals. We should be able to tell on this whether that's true or not. Such a pretty colour. Alright, now I'm going to start putting down some colours. Get some blues down, get a bit of a wiggle. I'm not sure about this purple. I don't think I'm going to use that, but I am going to use the bright blue. Pop. And then we're going to get some gold happening. And some of this sort of champagne colour. There's not a lot of this, so I might just kick this towards the middle. What do you reckon? Should we go with that? So I can always add extra after when I'm playing with composition and stuff like that. Alright, so let's put down a bit extra on the sides. And then I'm going to blow that over the colours. You know, actually there was one thing I was going to do. I've got some swipe mix here. I'm just going to put a tiny bit on top. little bit through the middle there. See if we get some lacing from that. Alright, here we go. All right, which way am I going to start? I'm going to turn this. I'm going to blow this bit out first. I want more down here, but this is looking good. Got a bit of a splatter there, but I can fix that. All right, let's fix the splatter first. Because I don't want to interrupt these cells here, I think I'm going to blow here with my straw. This is nice. I'm surprised because I am surprised. Okay, I don't want to ruin it. Might have looked better before. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to ruin it, but do I want something in here? Something here maybe. What color? Phthalo Blue. Interesting. This is amazing. Look at these cells coming through as well. I'm just trying to decide if there's anything else I want to do. I'm not sure. Just here. I might blow a little bit with the straw. Like that. Just fills that out a little bit. Let's just see if I can, it looks a little bit flat on the end. It's got more of a petal shape there now. Do I want any more bits of gold? Am I happy with the gold balance? There's some gold through there. Yep. Just wanted to give it a little bit more up into that corner. There's quite a bit of paint on here, so I don't know how it's going to dry. Sides are pretty. The composition is just a fraction off with it. Maybe it's nicer that way, I'm not sure. I don't want to make it worse. I like it the way it is. It's not quite a corn blue, it's got more of a purple tinge to it. I'll bring you in for the wet look. Okay, here it is wet. Now I'm not sure if I mentioned at the start, I added a little bit extra of the 24 karat gold into my gold mix, which is why we're getting this spread out cells, which are quite pretty actually. And even got a couple of gold cells through here. So it'll be interesting to see what that looks like once it's dry. Not too bad. You know, I haven't done many of these, so it's good. I did notice though with that hairdryer that it seems to blow on one side. So I have to hold it on a certain angle. So that's interesting. I'll bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And let's have a look at the shine first. So that gold, it's got the shine in it. And then I'll bring it in, have a look at it a bit closer. I really like this bit through here. Let me just tilt that so you can see that shimmer. So yeah, we've got some pretty little cells happening throughout, and up the top here we've got the golden cells. Yeah, so it turned out to be a very pretty piece, pretty colours. I'm not still not 100% sold on the composition, but it's decent. But the colours are gorgeous, and the blowout worked pretty well. Obviously I did some straw blowouts here and here. This one didn't work out very well, this one went okay. Just to give it a little bit of extra. Yeah, so that's it for that one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me, that would be much appreciated. And I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.